Well, good morning and welcome to another video. Today I'm getting out with my family down to Johanna Beach again. This is the annual February weekend that we go down to the beach. My wife's birthday, and she just loves it at this Johanna Beach, so we head down there at the start of February every year. So weather's a bit overcast. I'd say we'll probably get a bit of rain down there, but anyway, we've got the caravan with this time, and because I've got a few more people to cater for. So anyway, we'll get down there and we'll see how it goes. Well, we have arrived. Camp is set up. A little bit different position than last time. No, different direction. So not different position, different direction. But all good. Bit windy, bit cloudy, but it's not raining on us. We've only got another couple of campers over there, so should be good. Heading down to the beach now. Hopefully we can hear, you can hear that, but a bit sheltered here, but it is windy tonight. I did do a drone flight with the FPV drone before, and it's the faster, stronger one, and it struggled, so yeah, that's the way up to the lookout. I want to go up there and have a look, but scared I might get blown away. And there we go, miles of beach and no one in sight. So this beach is named after the Johanna, which was wrecked here in 1843. And the survivors headed east, which is to the left, and they had to go to the Cape Otway, which didn't have a lighthouse then, and then they had to go along the coast to Geelong, and they made it there with some help of some Aboriginal people after a week of going through this bush, which would have been thick back then because there would have been no trails, but that's the way it was then. So this is a lookout, and surprising. I expected it to be very windy up here, but it's actually not bad at all. hanging around trying to get a nice sunset. That's pretty good. Not quite sunset yet, but that's pretty darn nice. That's a different looking shaft of light coming through that cloud, isn't it? That's really, really pretty. Okay, well, I'm heading back to camp now from the lookout. Yeah, the sunsets I think has lost its colour now, so that's alright. Going on towards 9 o'clock. Getting a bit cool, think I might head to bed now, so yeah, we'll see you in the morning.
Up at everything at the moment.
Well, we've got the campsite pretty much to ourselves again now. All the people are up on the top row there have left and left us with one couple there and us off to the side. But I bet you that doesn't stay that way tonight, being Friday night and a weekend coming up. Anyway, should still be good. Heading off to the beach now. Had a very quiet morning. Just got the slow cooker going, working on cooking dinner up. There's pretty good facilities here. A few picnic tables, and there's a picnic table under the shelter, and the self-composting toilets. They can get a bit stinky at times, but they're not bad. Depends on how much traffic is coming through. And I think that's why they limited this campground to a certain amount of people so that it doesn't get overrun. When we first started coming here in the late 90s, this whole area out through here was open. There was no trees in it, and you would have it absolutely packed full on weekends, especially long weekends and Easter. You could have 500 to 1,000 people here, so too much for the toilet to handle, so they limited it. And pre-booked sites now too, and a few freebies. The last time we came here, it was all washed away, sort of blown down a bit now, not as steep as it was last year. Now my wife is down here somewhere, I just don't know where. We'll head to the right and see what we can find. And I do believe that she's sitting in those rocks over there. I can see her bending forward now, so trying to stay out of the wind, I'd say. So Going for a walk along the beach now with my dog. He has to stay on the leash because there's some very rare plovers, and they've got young chicks up on the beach somewhere here, and of course the young chicks can't fly, so there's big signs up everywhere saying, can you please keep your dog on a lead? So yeah, we'll do the right thing here. But one thing about here is it's beautiful, but boy are there a lot of marsh flies. I'm in long pants and long shirt, so it's not bothering me, but just thought about coming down here because it's not bad in shorts and t-shirt, but you spend most of your time swatting them away, so at least if you got pants on and long sleeve shirt, doesn't bother. I believe that's the plover chicks that the signs were telling us about. Keep your dog away from them. And that's the birds down there that I was taking pictures of, and they're endangered. Lowest rate of chick survival in the world. Little hooded plover. Well, it's morning now, and we had quite a few campers come in here last night late, so that was a bit of a rough night with vehicles coming in and the headlights going all over my tent cot, but got a fairly good sleep. Should be a good weather-wise day, but again it'll be another lazy day of just mucking around, maybe a bit of photography, but that's what we like doing here. Well, another quiet day like I said, but I'm gonna get out, at least walk up to the creek. Yeah, I'll have to find that name. I thought it was the Otway Creek, but anyway, just down here a bit further. Yeah, so you can see the creek flowing out just there. It flows into the ocean, so it's not too far up. Go for a walk up to that. And here we are. It's the Johanna River. It actually comes in way out of the hills. It actually comes in way up over there. And many years ago it was flowing the opposite way, so you had to walk probably about 500 metres further to get to the point where it entered the ocean, but every year it changes. So it's only a short walk here now. There's my dog having a roll. Loving the sand on his back. and I've got the beach to myself. Beautiful. One reason why I'm not a big fan of coming to the beach: bloody big marsh flies. Doesn't look like a lot here, but honestly, when your feet get dry, they are everywhere, and boy do they bite. So there you go. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Not a lot of things to do here, so it's probably more photography than anything. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.